are you all doing out there? I hope your day's treating you right. It is that time of day again where we take a look at areas on my chart that I'm watching in the markets as I trade. This time coming at you on good old ES. And boy, we have had a lot of action recently. Hopefully it's been treating you well. We're going to start with our top line today, which is going to bring us to 48.40. This is an area of resistance that I've marked off because it is yet to be broken and will be very symbolic if we do. Now down a little bit lower, we have an area that we just pushed back above, an area of control that's been a bit of an aversion zone at 47.60. When we're above it, we like to use it as support. When we're below it, we like to use it as resistance. And at real time, and as we record this video, it does appear like the market's starting to go up to the side where we use it as support. But we will see. Down below that, we have 4,700 marked off. It's a big psychological area that we just had a beautiful V bottom on the shorter time frames off, holding as support currently. And down below it even further, we have 4,600 marked off. A very important area of support that if we lose, not a good sign for the bulls. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.